In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Steam in 2026, including the method for full videos through YouTube, the new Steam game recording feature for clips, and a quick way to share short GIF-style clips in your activity feed. If you've ever wondered why you can't just drag and drop an MP4 straight into Steam, this tutorial will clear that up and show you the best working methods right now. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Let's start with the most important thing. Steam still does not let you upload video files directly from your computer to your profile like a normal social media site. So if you want a full video to appear in your Steam profile's Videos tab, the standard method is to upload it to YouTube first and then link it to Steam. Here's how to do that step by step. First, upload your video to your YouTube channel. When you publish it, make sure the privacy is set to public or unlisted. If it's private, Steam usually won't be able to find it, so this step matters. Once your video is on YouTube, open Steam and go to your profile. You can do that by clicking your name at the top and then selecting Profile. On your profile page, look for the Videos tab on the right side. This is where Steam lets you connect your YouTube content. Now click the green link YouTube account button. Steam will ask you to sign in and connect your Google account. Follow the prompts and allow the connection so Steam can access the videos on your YouTube channel. After the account is linked, Steam will show you a list of your available YouTube videos. From here, select the video or videos you want to add to your profile. You'll also see an associate with a game dropdown. This is where you can tie the video to a specific game in your Steam library, which makes your profile look much more organized and helps people know what the video is about. Once you've selected the right video and matched it to the correct game, click Add to Profile. After that, your YouTube video should appear in your Steam Videos section. This is the best method if you want to showcase a full edit, a trailer, or a longer gameplay video. Now, let's move to the second method, which is the new Steam game recording feature. This is the better option if you just want to share a short highlight, a clutch moment, or a funny clip from your game without going through YouTube first. To enable it, open Steam and go to Settings, then find Game Recording. In this menu, you can choose whether you want to record in background or record on demand. If you use background recording, Steam can keep track of gameplay moments automatically. If you use on-demand recording, you can manually capture clips whenever something cool happens. While you're playing, use the hotkey to save a clip. In many cases, the default shortcut is Ctrl plus F11, but you can always check or change that in Steam's settings if needed. When you press it, Steam saves the moment as a clip. After that, go to View, then open Recordings and Screenshots. This is Steam's media viewer, and it's where all your saved clips and screenshots live. Find the clip you want, click on it, and then press the Share button. From there, Steam gives you a few options. You can send it to a friend, copy it to your clipboard, or send it to another device, like your Steam Deck. This is great for quick sharing, but if your goal is to get the clip onto your public profile in a way everyone can view, you'll still usually need to export it and upload it to YouTube first. There's also a third option for very short clips, and that's posting to the activity feed. If you have a short video converted into an animated GIF and it's under 100 megabytes, you can use that as a quick workaround. To do that, go to your activity feed and click Post and Update. Then click the image icon and select your GIF file. Once posted, it will play in the feed like a video for your friends and followers. This works best for short reactions, highlights, or funny moments. So to recap, if you want to upload a full video on Steam, the real method is to upload it to YouTube, link your account, and add it to your profile. If you want to share a gameplay clip, use Steam Game Recording. And if you want a fast visual post, use an animated GIF in your activity feed. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Steam and gaming tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.